Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Raspberry Pi with IR sensor, buzzer and Pi camera. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B which we are going to use. This is the breadboard which we will implement the connections on. This is the IR sensor, also known as the infrared sensor. It has 3 pins, as you can see. VCC, that is positive, ground, that is negative, and the output pin where also the GPIO pin which we have to connect. This is the active buzzer. The long leg is of the positive, that is anode, and the short leg is of the negative, that is cathode. You also have here a Pi camera model 2 which we will connect later. Here a set of jumper wires. These are male to female jumper wires. You can take of any color, but for easy interfacing we have taken the similar colors for basic understanding. These are a set of components which will be required for this project. Now I will show you how to connect it on the breadboard. First you will have to take the IR sensor and connect it anywhere on the breadboard. Like this. Now I will take 3 wires and connect it. I will take the yellow wire and connect it on the output pin, which is this of the IR sensor. I will take the black pin, black jumper wire, and connect it besides the yellow jumper wire, which is the ground pin, as you can see here. Then I will take the red wire and connect it besides the black jumper wire, which is the VCC. That is positive. Now I will connect these 3 pins on the Raspberry Pi, GPIO pins. These are the GPIO pins. I will connect the red wire on the GPIO pin 2, which is here, which is plus 5 volt. I will take the yellow pin and connect it on the pin number 48, which is the last pin here. Then I will take the black wire and connect it on the ground, which is besides it. As you can see, the IR sensor is fully functional and working. The light is turning on as soon as I place my hand in front of it. Now I will connect the buzzer. The positive wire is in this side, positive anode. Now I will take the 2 jumper wires and connect the positive with the orange. And the negative cathode with the blue wire. Now I will place these 2 on the Raspberry Pi. The blue one I will connect it in the ground, which is over here. Just keeping 1 pin from the red and connecting besides it. And take the orange one and connect it besides the yellow pin, which is pin number 38. So this is the connections which we have to make for this project. Now I will connect the Pi camera model 2 with the Raspberry Pi. You have to connect this blue lid in this side for interfacing. You can just push it here. And push in the lid. can see the interface Pi camera is connected. This is the final implementation of our project which is required. Now I will show you the software part of the project. This is the software part of our project. First we will import the Raspberry Pi GPIO as GPIO. Then we will import a time model, system model. Then for the sensor, we have taken a variable noise sensor, which is on the pin number 40 of our Raspberry Pi. Then we have taken a buzzer on the pin number 38 pin of the Raspberry Pi. And we are making the mode set on the GPIO board, which is the physical numbering on the GPIO pins, which is this 1 to 40. Then we will take the set up the GPIO board as for the sensor, which is a GPIO input. In this GPIO for the buzzer, we will set the GPIO out. And for GPIO output, false value, we will print the IR sensor ready as we want. The IR sensor, if you indicate IR sensor is ready, then we will go into a loop while the value is true. Then for the sensor value GPIO input, we will print the buzzer value. While the buzzer value is false, we will print the object is not detected. Then we will indicate a sleep for 0.2 seconds. If not false and value is true, then we will print the else statement, that is while the buzzer is true, and we will print the object is detected. And for sleep for the 1 second, then object will go into a while statement while the sensor is getting detected the signals. Then this is the camera module, which is by default, which is required for the camera preview. Preview is for displaying the camera output on the screen. In the preview configuration, the size on the screen, size of the video, which window on the screen which you want to display. The start preview, we will do the sleep. We'll give this file name intruder.jpg. Then we close the Pi camera, exit the system out, and clear the GPIO. I will run it and show you how it is working. As you can see, the object is not getting detected. Now I will place my hand in front of the IR sensor and the buzzer will start. As you can see, the buzzer is working. Now I will place this in front of the intruder. As you can see, the intruder is coming in the video. The image is getting saved on the system. I will show you the image. This is the image of the intruder which we have captured from the Pi camera. This is the final implementation of our project. So for more further updates and for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.